Mr. Fulka, I'm going to come to you very straight with this. The court is making it very clear at the moment that they are not willing to intervene in the High Court, in the central government's notification saying that the LG, the Lieutenant Governor, has the power to appoint and transfer bureaucrats. Where does that leave you, Arvind Kejriwal, and the Aam Aadmi Party?
No, first of all, both the places you have got it wrong.
Right.
In the Supreme Court, also the central government wanted a stay on the judgment. The Supreme Court didn't grant any stay.
They've issued you a notice.
It issued a notice, and it says that the matter, High Court has already seized of the case, where the notification is challenged by the Delhi government, and High Court will decide without getting influenced by para 66 of that earlier judgment. That's it. What the Supreme Court has said. It's no setback to Kejriwal. Rather, if you take it this way, the centre wanted a stay on the judgment, the Supreme Court didn't grant the stay, number one. Now, number two, in the High Court, the notice was issued on the petition of the Delhi government, and the plea of the central government before the High Court was that after this notification, Kejriwal government has no power to post any bureaucrat. Now,
High Court has said the final power rests with the LG.
No, you see,
the High Court has not given you the power.
Now the point is this. On the first day, it's not going to be decided like that. The High Court says matter reads examination, and the High Court has passed for the interim a agreed order.
In that agreed order,
the same very orders passed by our Kejriwal government, which the central government was dumping it, that these orders are null and void. The same orders, the High Court said the LG will consider and deliberate on that.
Okay, this is
the plea of the central government that these orders are null and void was not accepted by the High Court. High Court said entry number 41, which is the services list, if that point was argued, and High Court found a weight and issued the notice, and will said finally it will be decided.
The reason I'm asking you this is that this is coming on a day when there are reports emerging that Arvind Kejriwal's government was about to authorize the Anti-Corruption Bureau to snoop, to have surveillance equipment on its so-called political rivals. That's the charge which is being made. So all this is being linked. The Anti-Corruption Bureau, Mr. Kejriwal wants to take charge of it, wants complete control over it. There are reports that the ACB is asking for special surveillance equipment. Is there a sense now that this now has become a dirty battle which is being fought at one level with Arvind Kejriwal wanting control over ACB and the bureaucrats versus the LG who with the Home Ministry's sanction is refusing to allow that?
You see, as on today, the ACB is under the control of the Delhi government. The only issue was what the powers of the ACB to investigate regarding the employees of the central government. That is what the issue in discussion. Now Supreme Court has not commented on that.
So you're saying that the matter has still not been commented upon?
Supreme Court has not commented on that, that the ACB's powers.
So you're saying we should wait for 3 weeks? You're saying we should wait for the 3 weeks?
Now, number one, that as far as that part is concerned, ACB is very much under the Delhi government's control, and as far as the High Court point is concerned, I would call it's a win situation for the Delhi government, because the same very orders of the Delhi government which were dumped by the central government, now there is direction that LG will consider and deliberate on those orders.
Okay, that's your, we will wait to see what the High Court and the Supreme Court. Today is only day one. We will wait and see how this plays out, but clearly this is emerging as a major confrontation and a flashpoint. Appreciate.
The confrontation was there earlier. Okay. Now the media was saying, everybody was saying, why don't you go to court? Now today the court, it's gone to the court.
Okay, so we will wait to hear. No, we will wait to it. The court is trying to find a via media, but let's wait for the final order from the court before we can pronounce who's won and who's lost possibly. Mr. Fulka, appreciate your joining us. Thank you very much. Let's turn to the other big story. The all-important FIFA presidential vote has started late this evening in Zurich, with four-time President Sepp Blatter going up against a ranked newcomer